We're testing the trick to unlock a car with the keys locked inside, which had over 100 million views. Let's see if it really works or if it's just another myth. I take a piece of chewing gum and put it in the door lock. Now, I take an iPhone cable with a thin end and insert it into the keyhole. Then I'll use 2 large batteries. They need to be connected with the correct polarity, exactly positive to negative. I place a rubber band around them. It needs to be tied tightly. I take a piece of tape and attach the other end of the cable between the batteries. As you can see, the keys are locked inside the car. Now, I take metal kitchen tongs and carefully press them. Metal objects conduct electricity well. I tape them down to make sure everything stays in place. To generate some heat, I take a kitchen wire scrubber and rub it to create a charge that will travel through the cable to the car's lock. I do this for a while. But as you can see, nothing happens and the car is still locked. This trick just doesn't work, even though it had millions of views. It's better to call for proper help than waste time on tricks like this.